Hello and good morning mga gwapo, mga gwapa. We are live dito sa MG's Grill House for another edition ng ating food challenge. This time, burger challenge para kay Totoy. Anong pangalan natin, gwapo? Carl? Alright. So, si gwapo Carl, titingnan kung kayang ubusin yung burger within 5 minutes. So, for the mechanics ng ating burger challenge, dapat maubos niya within 5 minutes yung burger para makuha niya yung 500 pesos. Alright. If hindi niya kayang ubusin within 5 minutes pero naubos niya yung burger, still meron siyang consolation prize. And if hindi talaga niya kayang ubusin, okay lang kasi libre na yung burger meal. Alright. So, if ready na si gwapo Carl, ready na din tayo. Set na natin yung timer sa 5 minutes. Alright. Before we start, may gusto kong i-shout out, gwapo.
Si Morrison Ray, Jensen Orpiola, Omar Siguera, kag si Dance Direconica, kag Ramos Pamilya.
Alright. So, shout out sa Ramos family daw. And syempre sa mga friends ni gwapo, parang may listahan siya eh. Okay, so palike and share ng ating live mga gwapo, mga gwapa. And syempre, if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, subscribe naman po. That's MG's Grill House Vlogs. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, gwapo Rogelio, oy, shout out. Enriqueta Maxino, hello. Shout out. Joy Basalan from Davao City, hello. Joanne Cruz from Nueva Ecija, hello. Carmelito Bagi from Jensan, hello. From Sorsogon, hello. Faith Cruz from Bulacan. Josie Agarma from Dubai. Carlo Lee from Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon, hello. Febeng Oravan from Fairview QC, hello. Evelyn Islam. Rolando Tongko, hello. Emma Almine, hello. Good morning. Eric Laderas from Laderas family, hello, hello. Arlene Ripple, hello. From USA, good morning. Good evening, Islam, hello, from Baclaran. Shout out from Cainta Rizal, Joel Papio. J. Villanueva Bailon from Bago City. Good morning from Nueva Ecija kay Vanji Vlogs, hello, hello. Jeneline Agustin, good morning. Jinky Abiera, hello, from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, good morning yan. Amor Javier from Panganiban, shout out from Panganiban. Mercy Cabahog from Leyte, good morning. J. Villanueva Bailon from Bago City, hello. Janine Serbanya from Montalban, Rizal, good morning. Jemski Hanilu, alright. Time remaining 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Lynn Cruz from Caloocan City. Emma Almine, shout out sa Saraiti Mamaylan, Razel Tanyongon and family. Evelyn Diaz Islam, good morning. Leticia Mata from Calasiao, Pangasinan, good morning. From San Pedro, Laguna, Rolando Tongko, hello. Mary Jane Ong from Olongapo City. Yeton Garcia from Balanga, Batan. Arlene Ripple, yes. Time remaining is 3 minutes and 17 seconds. So matagal pa ang oras ni Gwapo. Shout out Enriqueta Maxino sa Kabugaw, Batan. Gallardo family, Igos family, hello. Gwapo Rogelio Poblador. Alright. Berks Casimero from Dao Capiz, good morning. Gavino Estrecho, hello, good morning. Rolando Tongko, Signituto. Shout out kay Raymond De La Cruz, hello, good morning. Mark Lawrence, hello. Rich Panagiton from Guimaras, hello. Ard Nok, hello, from Sipalay, NGC, good morning. Elizabeth Selga Yabes, hello. Gladys Libot from Pampanga. Eileen Diget from Cabancalan City. Mening Ganancial, good morning. Marilyn Martinez, hello, hello. Shout out, GV Mateo de Lumpines, alright. Kag kay Mark de Lumpines sa Balay, alright. Darna Rizobal, shout out, good morning. Glesil Pable, good morning. Richie Galera, watching from Mount Everest. Kamusta naman yung snow dyan, Richie? Arlene Ripple, dalian mo daw, pogi. Time remaining is 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Alright, shout out kay Margaret, hello, from Gavino Estrecho. Good morning. Nadi-jingle na daw si Gwapo. Pwede ka daw jumingol dyan. Odd Art Nok, hello, Balbala. Vanji Vlogs, hello, hello. Jeneline Agustin, shout out sa Bermejo family from Barangay Pacol, Bago City, from Malabon. John Vergara, hello, hello, good morning. Yes, of course, pwede Gwapo dyan. Pero yung burger challenge natin is hindi na po available. Rice challenge na lang. So for the next month, September, mag-start na tayo ng ating online rice challenge. So sa mga nagpa-book dyan, kita-kits, excited na kami. Hopefully excited na din kayo. Rowena Osorbi from Bani, Pangasinan. Alright. Ubos yung soft drinks, okay. Preach Panagiton, dasiga ko noy, dasok na tanan. Shout out kay Papa Ladoy Mateo, hello, good morning. Okay, wala na. So time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Alright, so congratulations, guwapo Carl. Naanglaw tabi 500 ng... Alright, Leticia Mata. Hello, good morning. So habang hinihintay yung prize from Mrs. MG's, shoutout muna tayo sa mga customers ng MG's Grill House. Hello, naka-live kayo ngayon with 200 viewers. Hello. Okay, sa mga nagaganda na nagugupuhang customers ng MG's Grill House. So shoutout sa inyo. And syempre sa ating mga live viewers, hello. Congrats daw from Arlene Ripol. Alright, so sinong gusto mag-shoutout? Wala? Ha? Alright, so hinihintay pa natin yung prize. Sandali lang. Nangyog tanay ng 500. Jenaline Agustin, hello. Ramiel Vergabera, shout out. Jemski Hanilu, Daiging, good morning. Kamusta mga gwapa? Grabe yung ulan, so keep safe. If wala kayong importanteng lakad, manatiling sa bahay lang. Napakalakas ng ulan. So, shout out from UK, from Renz Malasting. Daiging, watching from UAE, Dubai. Hello, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. Thank you, Guapo Gavino. God bless. Yes, God bless din po, Guapa Arlene Rifol. Jessica Ferrer, hello. Congratulations. So, meron pang time na natira si Guapo na 1 minute and 10 seconds. Inubos niya yung burger within 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Alright. Eileen De Los Santos, Digit, hello, good morning. Dapat dumakang burger. Alang-alang, nagupo, guro, Guapo Roilio. Christine Abdul Karim from Taguig, hello. Lynn Serrano Cañedo, hello, good morning. John Lester Bandoy, good morning. Alright, kamusta? So, Rachelyn Cheryl Rico, hello. Daiging, good morning. Noni Leha from Jensan, hello. Alright, so kamusta? Nandito na yung 500. Ang hirap yatang hanapin na. Alright, congratulations, Guapo. Ito na yung 500. Anong masasabi natin sa challenge?
Salamat.
And syempre, meron kang nakalimutang i-shoutout kanina na pwede mong shoutout ngayon? Wala na. Alright. So, kung wala na, congratulations again. Thank you sa pag-accept ng challenge. And pwede na pong tumayo. Alright. Watching from Bantay, Ilocos Sur. Rogelio Poblador. Yes, mamaya siguro merong rice challenge. Guapag Jemski. Abang-abang na lang sa ating notification sa live later. Alright. Watching from San Pedro. Gladys Libot. Hindi na po. Thank you, Gida. Tapos na po yung burger challenge. Ayan po yung time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Naubos niya yung burger in 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Alright. So if wala na pong pahabol na shoutout, hanggang dito na lang mga gwapo, mga gwapa. Again, sa mga supporters natin sa live and syempre sa mga customers and sa MG's Grill House staff, thank you. Sending love and sending hugs from MG's Grill House. Keep safe, God bless, and keep dry. Bye-bye. Alright, last shout out. Family Gudaka Espora, hello from Himaylan. Analiza Gudaka. Jenaline Agustin, hello. Alright, happy birthday daw. Jaslyn Joy Agustin. Alright, so belated. John Lester. Okay. So hanggang dito na lang mga gwapa. Keep safe. God bless. Bye-bye po.